I want to show the actual trade-only website so that you have some additional resources and that you know where those are. We have a training tab located at the top of our website, and this will give you any additional training resources that you might need. We have a 2-day classroom training class for our master users, and we're actually putting together a training program where we have different levels based upon the various webinars, videos, as far as the hours that you put into training. You'll start off at the gold and go to platinum, and when you get to the black diamond, there are some discounts on the various products on your vision system, as well as adding some additional company stores free of charge. So we have some incentives to get you engaged in any training that we offer because we do want you to utilize this training. Along those incentives, our master training class is a 2-day class. It's located in California, Costa Mesa, in our offices. So those of you that are close by, we do extend that invitation to you to come on by and attend that training. We do think it's very valuable for all our customers to attend. So if you are out of state and you want to fly in, we do offer a free hotel stay. So the training is free of charge, and we will pay for your hotel if you decide to join us for these master classes. We also offer personal one-on-one training. Many of you have probably taken advantage of this. It's a great training program. You can speak with one of our training professionals. They will walk you through any features that you might be having some questions regarding. So definitely sign up for a personal one-on-one, and either myself or one of my training staff will be in touch with you and set something up online. And those can last anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes based upon what you're looking at learning for that one session. We also have webinars. That's, again, what we're on here today. Many of you probably received an email regarding our webinars, but you can see what upcoming webinars there are by clicking in here, and you can see the ones that are recorded as well. I'm trying to record all these new webinars on the new features regarding Store 2.0 and Vision 2.0. But we will be posting those so you can watch those at your convenience. So that is the webinar area. And we also have video tutorials. These are 2 to 3 minute videos, educational videos that you can watch, and they're on specific functionality within Store and Vision. So if you are looking for a quick help guide or help video, these are great to reference, and you can quickly get back to producing your order or quote for your customer without taking too much time out of your day. So those video tutorials are very helpful. And we also have roundtable education sessions, usually with larger customers, but we do invite customers to come together, talk about their experiences with the software, bounce ideas off one another, any suggestions for improvement, as well as any tricks that you might have learned to navigate the system. So those we do offer once or twice a month, and it is always nice to talk to other professionals in the industry and see what they're doing. So we're going to go ahead and get started with our webinar on adding blogs and posts to your company stores or websites. I'm going to pull up a company store that I've created for Colony High School. And this is a local high school by us, but I do want to show you what we're going to be doing today. You can see here that at the very top of the page, you have a link that says, "Come join the boosters." This is an example of a post or a blog that I have added to the site. So what you can see is "Come join the boosters," September 14th, 2012 is when I posted this blog. And there is a little caption as to what this blog or post refers to or references. So come join the Colony High Boosters, and there's a meeting this Friday at 7:30 in the gym. If I click onto the link, so this is what your customers would see on your site. If you click into the link, it's going to give you the detailed post. So this is the entire post. So you can come support Colony High. If you pledge more than $50, you get a free booster pack, and the booster pack includes a t-shirt, jacket, and tickets to a drawing where you could win a vacation for two in Cadillac. So you can kind of expand that post when you click into the link. And this is what we're going to learn how to do today. So what I'm going to do first is come into the management section of the site. I can do that three ways. If I'm already in the viewing section of the site, you'll see the management console up here in the top right corner where I can go to the back end of this store that I'm currently in. If I wasn't logged into my store, I would type in the URL up there at the top left, and I would put /manage at the back or at the end of that URL, and that would allow me to log into store. Or I could go into Visions, and under the website tab, I could find the various company stores or websites, and I could click Manage to get into the back end. So those are the three ways that you would get into the customization side of the back inside of your company store or website. So I'm going to go ahead into the Management Console. And this is the home page of the management section. Now you're going to find all the posts up under pages, because the way you think about it is you're adding a post to a page on your company store or website. You typically wouldn't add a post to every single page, and that again is overall layout. So anytime you're in the overall layout, which is the style drop-down, it's looking at the entire website. So we want to be under pages. And we're going to simply go ahead here to add a post at the bottom of this drop-down. And we're going to give it a post title. So it's the, well, let's type this back, probably the 2012 Fun Run. And then the URL page will put Fun Run, so that anyone who is Googling that will be pulled to this page that we add this blog onto your site. The publish date, we're going to go ahead and select a date. So we're going to click into this field, and we're going to post, the posting date is the 14th, so we'll go ahead and post it on the 14th. And an excerpt is that little one-line caption of what this post is going to be relating to. So we're going to say, come join us. So come join us for the 2012 Fun Run located at the track. So here is where you're going to actually type your post. And this works very similar to any type of Word document. You have the ability to bold, underline, change the different fonts and the sizes, or even add color. So we'll go ahead and type in a post here for this Fun Run. Let's see, I mistyped. So it will be held on September 28th then at the high school track. And there will be water, ice cream, Okay, sorry. There we go. So we've got our blog there. If I wanted to, I could bold the first line just to show you some of the techniques. We can go ahead and bold that. We could change the color if we'd like, the text color, so I can come in here and do a red and so forth. If we wanted to add a picture, we could go ahead here and add an image. Maybe we want to add an image of the last fun run where they had a turnout and all the kids were out there on the track running. So you could go ahead and insert that image by clicking on the postcard, and that would allow you to upload an image under the Upload tab. So you could go browse and find your JPEG gift or PNG, and you could upload an image of kids running. So you could add that to your blog as well. So we've got our blog. We're going to go up here into the top right, and we're going to save. Okay, so you can see both of the posts that I have. I created the booster post, and now we have the 2012 Fun Run post. So now what we want to do is we want to link that post to our home page. So what we want to do is come over here to My Pages, and I'm going to find the home page. So along here, so there's the home page, and I'm going to edit the layouts and contents of this home page. So as you can see, it's already linked the Fun Run because I have already dropped in a post module. And if you remember correctly, the way that we edit things on the back end are through the various modules within the store. So you can see that this is a module right here, and I can edit, hide, or delete it. And it's already added the Fun Run into that post module. If I did not have that particular post module, that's very simple for me to come on up here to the top left, and using the module drop-down, I'm going to come and find this module called Post and Show Post, and then I would insert that onto my site. And once I insert that, then you would see your post be attached to that various blog, or you'd see your blog or your post attached to that module. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead up here and publish this particular post so that it will appear, and then we're going to go ahead and preview. So we saw at the very beginning of this webinar the booster post, but now we have the 2012 Fun Run. It gives the date that it was actually posted, and then you have a little excerpt of what exactly the post is about. So if I go ahead and click on the link, it will actually take me to the details of that blog or post. And you can see that there. So again, it's a fairly short webinar today, but it is a way to engage your customers that are coming into your websites and company stores. It's also a way to get out information. So we do encourage you to take advantage of this new feature within store. I'm going to go ahead and take a look and see if there are any questions that this group might have had. Okay. We have no questions at this time. However, if you do come up with any questions after this webinar, please contact our support team. I'm going to go ahead and show you from our trade-only website. If you come on up here to support, this will give you all their contact information. You have a toll-free number. You can speak with our team, live chat, or you could go ahead and email them. So if you have any additional questions regarding this webinar or any other webinars, or if you just need help with your system, please definitely contact us. We're here to help you, and we look forward to seeing you on many more webinars. Thank you, and enjoy your Friday and your weekend. Have a great day.